Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm going to make wax today at home. If you're stuck during lockdown time, this video gonna help you. We need 3 ingredients to make this wax at home. We need 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of water. After that, we need to mix 3 ingredients in a teapot and we need to stir it frequently. Then let it get boiled for 5 to 8 minutes. First thing, do not overheat it and you do not need to stir it continuously. Just do it few times and then leave it, let it get boiled properly until it leaves the bubbles and color has to be changed like golden brown. Now this is the time you need to turn off the gas and you need to transfer this in any glass jar. So at this point our wax is ready, but make sure you wait until it gets cooled down. It's quite hot, so make sure you not burn yourself. Do a patch test on your hand first, just to make sure it's not that hot before we're going to start the procedure. Now I'm using butter knife at the moment. You can use any spatula, and we need to apply on the same direction of hair growth. Then I'm going to put the strip on it. I'm using a normal strip. You can use any cotton fabric if you have at home. Now I'm going to press it gently and then make sure you use other hand to stretch your skin from the bottom, and then we need to pull it on the opposite direction of the hair growth. One thing I need to mention here, when you're going to start any waxing, any area you're going to cover, make sure you apply talcum powder on your skin, and when you finish doing waxing, just apply any baby oil. You can use tea tree oil, but if you don't have that, you can apply any baby oil. It keeps your skin moisturized and more smoother, and you won't feel any stickiness. So I hope this video helps you. And one more thing I need to mention before I go, do not use any shaving or any razors during this lockdown. I know many people use this for a quick method, but believe me, this just gonna ruin your hair growth. They will come more thicker by the time, so better to just be calm and to follow your waxing procedure. So this was my video for today. I hope it helps you out, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye, be safe, take care.